Today we are discussing about fuels part 2. Calculation of oxygen required for combustion of methane and ethane. Volume or amount of oxygen required for combustion of methane and ethane is calculated from balanced equation of methane and ethane at standard and temperature pressure conditions. As STP, 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 grams or 22.4 liters of volume. Here we observed equations of combustion reactions of methane and ethane. Here 1 mole combustion of 1 mole of methane. Here we require 2 moles of oxygen. For 2 moles of ethane we require 7 moles of oxygen. Composition and uses of gaseous fuels. First one is water gas. It is also called blue gas as it burns with blue flame. It is prepared by passing steam over red hot coke or coal. Composition. In water gas, hydrogen percentage is 45 to 50%. Major part is hydrogen. Nitrogen 3%, carbon monoxide 40 to 50%, carbon dioxide 4%. In water gas, major compounds are hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Here water gas calorific value is 28,000 kilocalories per meter cube. Uses. It is used as a fuel in industry. It is used as a source of hydrogen. It is used in the preparation of carbon black, ammonia and methyl alcohol. It is used as a illuminant. Second one, producer gas. It is prepared by passing steam and air over red hot coke or coal at 900 to 1000 degrees centigrade. Compositions are: in producer gas, carbon monoxide 30 to 33%, nitrogen 64 to 65%, remaining hydrogen, carbon dioxide and methane. So in producer gas, major compounds are nitrogen and carbon monoxide. Calorific value 13,000 kilocalories per meter cube. Uses of producer gas. It is used as a fuel in glass and steel industry. It is used in the preparation of hydrogen, ammonia and methyl alcohol. It is used as a fuel in gas engines. It is used as a reducing agent in metallurgy. Last one, it is used as a fuel in open hearth furnaces. Next one, natural gas. It is available in sedimentary rocks along with the petroleum in oil wells formed by decomposition of organic matter. It is a mixture of hydrocarbons. It is divided into two types on the basis of components present in it: dry natural gas, wet natural gas. Dry natural gas, it contains lower hydrocarbons like methane and ethane or ethylene. Wet natural gas, it contains higher hydrocarbons like butane, pentane, hexane, butane, like that. The major component in natural gas is methane. Methane composition is methane 70 to 90%, remaining ethane 5 to 10%, hydrogen 3%, remaining carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. These are dry natural gas compositions. Dry natural gas compositions: methane 70 to 90%, ethane 5 to 10%, hydrogen 3%. Calorific values 12,000 kilocalories 14,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses of dry natural gas. It is used in the preparation of hydrogen gas, which used in hydrogenation of oils and fertilizer industry. It is used in the preparation of chemicals like methyl alcohol, acetic acid, etc. It is used as a fuel in railway locomotives. It is used in the preparation of LPG and also used as a fuel in furnaces. Next one, coal gas. It is prepared from coal by destructive distillation, and the vapors are passed into condenser to remove tarry matter. Composition of coal gas: hydrogen 50%, methane 25 to 35%, carbon monoxide 4 to 10%, remaining nitrogen, methane, ethane, carbon dioxide. Acetylene. Remaining nitrogen, methane, acetylene, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Your major compounds are hydrogen 50%, methane 25 to 35%. Uses and calorific value of coal gas is 4,000 to 5,000 kilocalories per meter cube. Uses: it is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used as a illuminant. It is used as a reducing agent in metallurgy. It is also used in smelting process. Next one, biogas. Biogas is prepared by decomposition of organic matter by the action of anaerobic bacteria. The bacteria is called methanogenic bacteria. Gobar gas is prepared from cow dung and it mainly contains methane gas. Composition of biogas: methane 50 to 60%, carbon dioxide 30 to 40%, hydrogen 5 to 10%, nitrogen 2 to 16%, and traces of hydrogen sulfide. Calorific value 5,300 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses of biogas: it is used as a illuminant, as a fuel for cooking food, as a fuel to run engines. Last one, acetylene gas. Acetylene is prepared by action of cold water on calcium carbide. You have observed equation also. Calcium carbide plus 2 moles of water gives rise acetylene plus calcium hydroxide. Calorific value 6,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses: the mixture of oxygen and acetylene gives oxyacetylene flame, which is used in cutting, welding, and cleaning of metals. In the manufacture of acetic acid, acetaldehyde extras also. In the preparation of polymers like polyvinyl chloride and synthetic rubber. It is used as a illuminant in lighthouses and hawker's lamp. It is used in the preparation of poisonous gases like lucite, mustard gas, etc. Thank you.